Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Take 5 by Matt Tressel. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these quadruples in the grid. These are these circles with digits inside. Whatever digits appear in the circle must also appear in at least one of the 4 cells surrounding the circle. So we need a 5 somewhere in here. We need a 2 and a 3 somewhere in here. We could do 2 2s and 2 3s. That would be allowed, but we need at least 1 2 and 1 3. Here we need 1 2 3 and 4 in the cell surrounding. Okay, hopefully that's clear. Additionally, there is anti-V in this puzzle. So there are no V's in this puzzle, but think of it as all V's given, right? So basically any 2 adjacent cells where there could be a V between them, so like these two, any 2 cells that share an edge, cannot add to 5. So if this is 2, then I can't put a 3 in any of these cells, because a 3 in any of these cells would cause 2 cells that share an edge to sum to 5, and that's not allowed in this puzzle. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, let's get started with this having to be 1 2 3 4. Now we have to be very careful that we don't sum to 5. So I wonder if coloring is helpful here. Let's find out. So we're going to call this green. Whether this is 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're going to call that green. And then we're going to say purple adds to 5 with green. Well, if purple adds to 5 with green, these two cannot be the purple, but we need the thing that adds to 5 with green to be in this quad, because it's going to be 1, 4, or 2, 3. So this is our purple. And then I'm going to use blue and orange. I mean, I guess I could have done the other way. Blue and orange for the other way to add to 5. So these colors represent all of the digits 1 through 4, and we can treat them symbolically now. Now we know we need 2, 3 here, and they got to stay separated. So we're either going to have a 2, 3 pair like this or a 2, 3 pair like this, but I don't know which way it's going to go. Like this would be forced to be a 1, 4 because it couldn't add with a 2, 3. See, can I do anything else with the coloring? So we know that these aren't purple. We know that these aren't blue. We know that these aren't green. Actually, none of these are green. None of these are green. And we know these aren't... Sorry, none of these are orange. Sorry, none of these are orange. Oh, we need an orange in this. Okay, yeah, this is how we can do it. We need an orange up here, but we just said that blue can't be next to orange, right? So orange ends up here. This is the orange 1, 2, 3, 4. And this purple needs to end up here, but it can't be next to green. So this is the purple 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is possible that this is a 1, 4 pair here with orange and green like that. So I can't say that this is a 2, 3, unfortunately. But we can do more. The green can't be next to purple. So this ends up green 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the blue ends up down here. This is the blue 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that these are 5, 6 pairs. Now that this is a 5, 6, remember 2, 3 had to be like this or this. Well, it's not like this. So this is actually our 2, 3 pair. So this has to be the green 2, 3. And we know that green is a 2, 3, and we know purple's a 2, 3, meaning that orange and blue are 1, 4s. All right. Nice. Progress. Now green is somewhere down here. These 2 greens. Purple in this box is limited because it's not next to the green at all, and it's not sharing this column. So purple has to go here. Do we have more like that? Well, green can't be here, and it can't be here, and it can't be here. Right. Green can't be here because of this. Green can't be here because of that. And green can't be next to purple. So this is our green 2, 3. And then that puts a green down here, but it can't be next to the purple. So this is green, and this is green. Okay, so we have all the green 2, 3s. I wonder if we can do purples now. Yeah, purple in this box has to go here. We have these 2 purples looking down. It can't be next to green. Purple in this box, yeah, ends up right there. And then purple ends up right there. Nice, that's the purple 2, 3. Now, I know there's a 5 in one of these two, but I need a 1. I need a 1 in this quad, and so that can only go there. None of these can be 1, so that's our 1, which does make it makes it blue. So now we actually have names for our color, for our blue and oranges, 1s and 4s. And now this has to be 5 because we need a 5 in the quad. So that's 6, that's 5, that's 6. We don't need colors for 5, 6s. So we know there's a 5 up here somewhere. which means in this column, the 5 ends up down here. This box needs a 6. So this ends up being the 4, which is orange. So this is a 4-5 pair. Oh, this ends up being the blue 1, and we know blue is not next to orange. Oh yeah, this couldn't be 5. Or sorry, this couldn't be 4. It was already next to a blue. So that's 5, that's 4, and this is orange. So that's our 6. You know what? Just for fun, let's make our 5s red, and let's make our 6s yellow, just so we can have a fully colored grid. Why not? 5 ends up here. It's only placed in the box for 5, and 5 ends up here. That's all our 5s. We might be able to finish the 6s. Not yet. Oh, this is yellow. Okay, maybe we can now. 6s are like this. I'm sure we can just finish the rest. So I need a 1 in this column. That ends up here. This should be a lot easier than I'm making it. This is our 6. And then this is the 4. Just finishing off the box. We need the blue 1 for the column. And then, okay, down here we have 4 and 6 to place, and we know the order. So this is going to be the yellow. This is going to be the orange. We get our 6, we get our 4. And now we have to resolve the 2 3s. And probably one of these quads does it. Yeah, this 3 down here does it. So we know all our purples are 3. And we know all our greens are 2. All right, well, that worked out. Cool. Neat idea, Matt. I enjoyed that. I was wondering how anti-V was going to be fun in a 6x6, but you managed to make it fun in a 6x6, so that's cool. I did enjoy that. Let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.